Hi and welcome to another video by ChalazionTreatment.com, where you can discover how to eliminate your chalazion in less than 2 days without expensive and painful surgery. Now today we'll be discussing the topic of chalazion symptoms. We're going to lay out several important facts that you should know, and obviously when it comes to chalazion symptoms, these are not pleasant to deal with. They are a nagging problem for thousands and thousands of people. Now, a chalazion is generally defined as a nodule or a lump that grows in your upper or lower eyelids. It's actually caused by a blockage of one or more of the ducts in the meibomian gland. And this is the gland that's actually responsible for secreting the oil that lubricates the outer layer of tears. Now, at the outset, a chalazion can look like a sty, because it turns red, it will swell, and it is also tender to the touch. However, they become painless and slow-growing lumps after a while and can resolve without treatment after several months. However, many chalazia can develop, and those large enough can even impinge on the cornea, causing blurriness of vision and discomfort. So, the million-dollar question: how do you know that you have a chalazion and not merely a sty? Well, what follows is a discussion of chalazion symptoms. Now, the first of the symptoms that we're going to discuss is swelling and tenderness. Now, like a sty, one of the main symptoms of a chalazion is swelling in the upper or lower eyelids. However, side note, most chalazia actually occur in the upper eyelids. Blepharitis, or the inflammation of the eyelid margins, is often one of the most popular chalazion symptoms. And redness is also common at the outset, and swelling occurs over the course of a few weeks. Together with redness and swelling, tenderness is also something that can be present. The eyelid is soft, and it can be sensitive to the touch. When you avert or lift up and turn your eyelid inside out, a smooth yellow cyst becomes visible. And over time, the bump firms up and, unlike a sty, becomes painless. Nodules can grow as large as peas on either eyelid, and the skin surrounding the cysts may also be loose. Now, the second of the symptoms that we're going to discuss is a heavy feeling. Weightiness or a heavy feeling on the eyes is also another of the more common chalazion symptoms, and this is because the eyelid has become so heavy because of the swelling caused by the blocked oil gland. As a result, an individual with chalazion may find it difficult to keep his or her eye open for long periods of time. The third symptom we're going to discuss is blurriness of vision. A swollen eyelid can obstruct vision, and individuals who have a chalazion often experience blurriness of vision. This is in fact very, very common. This is made especially more prominent when the chalazion has grown large enough to impinge on the cornea of the eye. This condition should be treated immediately, otherwise permanent vision loss could occur over time. So it's definitely something that should be taken very seriously. The fourth thing that we're going to discuss is light sensitivity. Sensitivity to light is also a common complaint when it comes to chalazion symptoms. Many individuals with a chalazion may find well-lit rooms and surroundings to be too bright for comfort. They have problems seeing things clearly in such circumstances. The fifth and final symptom we're going to discuss is enlargement and pain. And when a chalazion, while it's not painful at first, when it does grow large enough, it can impinge on your sensory nerves and even cause pain. So if you're experiencing swelling and enlargement and pain, it's definitely time to do something about your chalazion. So we hope that you've enjoyed this short video and this brief discussion of some of the more popular chalazion symptoms. Be sure to visit our website at ChalazionTreatment.com, where you'll find our downloadable PDF report that is basically a complete home guide to chalazion treatment. It's a step-by-step solution for treating chalazion cysts that offers a solution that is painless, completely natural, non-surgical, affordable, and effective.